I have young girls. They were much younger at the time, and I've always been passionate about living a healthy life, a clean life. And I didn't want them to be exposed to something that would be putting chemicals into their body. Hi, I'm Jody, the founder of Clean Kiss Organics. I started Clean Kiss Organics several years ago, really out of circumstance. I was looking for a natural deodorant that would actually work. So I started in the kitchen, which is what I do best, and I'm very passionate about it. So I got in the kitchen and I started seeing what I could create, because I couldn't actually find a natural deodorant on the market that worked. So the deodorant is formulated in a jar, which is more hygienic. You use a clean finger to apply it, just like a lotion, right into your underarm, or you can use a spatula. So it's very clean and easy to use. Our natural deodorant has been tested through hot yoga, through sweaty gym sessions, and we know that it's not only effective, but it's also safe, so that parents can feel comfortable and confident knowing that their children as young as 7 or 8 years old can be using this product and they're not exposing their body to chemicals. All of our Clean Kiss Organics products are artisan handcrafted in small batches. And we like doing that because we know that we can control the quality of our products. And we also make sure that our products are transparent, so you can see exactly what is in every product and you know that the ingredients are clean and natural. And that's exactly why we created Clean Kiss Organics.